Okay, I've goofed. Washer, too big. Got that from a washing machine. So, for another part of the washing machine, I've taken a smaller washer. But I forgot to tell you where I got these bolts from, and they're from bed frames. They have these sort of square nuts in the bars that go down the bed, and then this goes in the headboard or baseboard and clamps it all up tight. Obviously not those two together because they're different sizes. So it's going to have to be a small washer and the wing nut. Now if you haven't got wing nuts, you can use these from the beds because they've got a lip on them. They will dig into the wood. That side will come up against the side of the wood, so it ain't going to go any further, and that pulling it shelf area, digging into the wood, will stop it spinning on you. And it's literally a case of getting Allen key and winding it in. Okay, right, so just pop this one on. I haven't got a lot of room under here because, well, under here I mean at this end, because I didn't want it too far off the table. And probably some of you are thinking, well, why don't you put it on its side? I don't want to put too much strain on the gantry. Whether I would or not, I don't know. I'm not risking it. Right, that's up solid. Now you can get a pair of pliers on there and give it a bit more purchase, but that's screwed in very tight, real tight, so it ain't going to go nowhere. So all I've got to do now is find 5 more of them, and then I can secure the gantry permanent, well not permanently, but you know, ready for testing. Okay, that's that bit. On to the next.